Here's how to get more FPS in Roblox Mobile to reduce lag. Now, if you're in the Roblox app and it's super laggy and glitchy, the first thing we want to do is make sure your phone is primed to sending all the resources to Roblox. To do that, we're first just going to close out of every single other app. So only have the Roblox app open. The next thing we're going to do is get into your settings and make sure you're not limiting certain things in your settings. Let's tap on battery here and make sure that the battery is not set to low power mode. If it is set to low power mode, we want to turn that feature off. The next thing we will do is go back to the very beginning of your settings and tap on accessibility. And then we're going to tap on motion here. Now at the very bottom, if you scroll down, you can see limit frame rate. This will limit the frame rate of your iPhone or Android to make it a little bit more laggy and glitchy. So we want to make sure to turn this off so we're not limiting it and we get 120 Hertz. After we've done that, let's open up the Roblox app and change some things in a game. Let's, for instance, say we're playing Steal a Brain Rot. So let's open it up and start playing that game. I'll show you some settings to change in that game while you have it open. So once you open it up here, you'll be able to see at the top left, let's tap on the Roblox icon and then get to settings here, the second option. Now from here, all we're going to do is scroll down. And the first thing that I would have you do for graphics mode, instead of automatic, let's switch this to manual. This allows us to manually adjust the graphics. Keep in mind, if your phone is really glitchy and slow or lag, that's because the graphics quality is too high. So essentially, we want to bump this down to the lowest level. By bumping it down to the lowest level, it won't be as crisp and clear, but it'll run a lot more smooth. But let's also scroll down here and turn on performance stats. And I'll show you what this looks like. So let's get out of here. And you can see memory, CPU, GPU, send, received, and network ping. Let's tap on memory here. And you can see the current memory, the target, and the average. You should be right around the target here. And tap on CPU as well. You should be right around the target and GPU right around the target. If you still find that you're lagging or slow on the game, the next thing I would recommend doing is hopping out of this app. Let's completely hop out of it. And then what we're going to do is do a force restart on this phone. So we're going to press volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see the Apple logo. So keep holding it even though it says slide to power off. Keep holding it even when the iPhone screen or Android screen goes black. And then only open this up or lift it up once you see the Apple logo appear. This force restarts your phone tons of times, fixing all kinds of resources issues and network issues that might be lagging or slowing down Roblox.